So we're going to take one last look at the ugly OEM wheels. In my opinion, do not like chrome on this 2004 SL55 AMG. So we're going to look at the new wheels we're putting on here today, as well as how to get them protected for easier cleaning once you have them. And here they are. Without further ado, these are the Vossen HF1s. These are hybrid forged wheels. These are in a 19-inch configuration. 19 by 9 up front, 19 by 9.5 in the rear. So first up, we're just going to clean these freshly minted wheels with some isopropyl alcohol diluted down with distilled water. That's just a quick wipe, no big deal. Just make sure you get all the spokes and whatnot. And then we're going to install this G-Technic Wheel Armor C5, which is a basic process. It's a wipe on, wipe off ceramic, and will make your cleaning of the wheels as you go down the line far, far easier. As you can see, not a real lot to the process. Even if you don't have fully brand new wheels, giving them a good clean beforehand, this is still a good project to do. I did it on the wheels I had on the Spider previously, and that really went a long way to being able to keep darker wheels in a little better condition for a little bit longer. So why did I go with the HF1s? They seem to be the better price balance for me. They're a hybrid forged, not a fully forged like in Vossen's premium lines. But I do like that these spokes are going to give us a much better look at the calipers, these beautiful bad boy calipers we have on our SLs. So you'll see that here shortly when we get the wheels back on the car. I went with a 19 by 9 up front because there's room, and I wanted a 19 by 10 in the rear, wound up with a 19 by 9.5, and I'll put the specs up in a little minute here. Reason that we went with a 9.5 is because it was on the shelf, and in this supply issue economy, that was okay by me. Still put on some 255 rubber up front. A little less on the back. I went with 285. I wanted 295, but didn't want to stretch out the wheel or the tire too much. So, all right, now we're just finishing up here, doing roughly half a wheel at a time. You don't want to spend more than a minute with this flashing on your wheels, and then you can wipe off. Wipe on, wipe off. Very much a Karate Kid move. Let's get them on here. So let's get the car down and take a couple of beauty shots at it and see what it looks like. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Hope you like it, and hope you have some easier cleaning now you've got that ceramic coating on your wheels. Be memorable, be well, and I hope to see you on another video soon.